Here we are at the Invisible Bed Experience Center, where you get the ultimate space-saving furnitures that expands your possibilities of utilizing a single space for multiple purposes while also maintaining the aesthetics of your home. India for a long time had minimal options of space-saving furnitures that were affordable and accessible by all. Invisible Bed entered the market as a space-saving expert that provides smart solutions that seamlessly integrate with the interiors at an affordable price.